Today we'll talk about how can you enable short reposts uh, on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign here, you click on it. So when you just click here on this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You go down, just keep going down here, then you click here on follow and feed preferences. Just click on it. Then you come to next step here, come here to show reposts. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's means show reposts enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.